David Collins, former substance abuse counselor, sociology major at Brandman University. About me outside Brandman University. I live in Santa Maria, California, and I'm from Texas. I'm a sociology major and graduated in 2020. I enjoy visiting with family, movies, and good food. I have 2 dogs, Lizzie and Amber, that are my TV watching companions. My parents and brother also live here in Santa Maria. Why I'm at Brandman University. I like being able to counsel people that needed my help when I was a substance abuse counselor. I could not make a living as a substance abuse counselor. This is why I continued my studies to be a marriage and family therapist. I see this class and my time at Brandman University as one more step to achieving my goals. Why I pursue my major. I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree in sociology because the study of human behavior is interesting. I'm working on becoming a marriage and family therapist. I want to be able to counsel a wide range of people that are in crisis. Why I'm teaching Sociology 436. This course is one more step towards accomplishing my goals of becoming a counselor. Completing this goal gives me one more skill and increases my chances for employment. What kind of student am I? I've been in school in what seems forever. 3 2-year degrees and my bachelor's degree. I did an internship at Coast Valley Substance Abuse Center here in Santa Maria, California, and got my state certification to counsel clients in substance abuse. I have 1 C and 6 or 7 A's on my transcript so far. I do not know how I pulled this off. Freak accident, I guess. We'll see what happens from here. What strengths do I bring to online discussions? I try to engage others in discussion boards to explore concepts and ideas about a topic in the course reading or videos. I feel that when I ask questions, it helps myself and other classmates to look at what is discussed from different perspectives. People's different perspectives and opinions on a subject helps us catch what we not understand in our weekly readings or videos. What I'm seeking from others in discussion board. All I ask from my classmates in discussion boards is that we work together each week to complete discussion board topics. Please feel free to point out errors in my postings. This will help me correct information that I do not understand. Please post with me so I can respond to those of you who do discussion boards with me. I'm looking forward to working with all of you during this course. Please feel free to email me or do discussion boards with me. It'd be great to hear from you.